Welcome. Today in front of me Oppo Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, we'll go in with this one, and just now with your finger hold for a while at the screen, and here you will see the widgets icon. And now we can just select one from the available widgets. For example, we'll go in with the clock. Just hold for a while and move it where you want to just add the widget. For example, here, if you want, you can move this widget between the screens by the same way. Just hold for a while and move it here, for example, or just there. Also, we can add one more widget by the same way. Just here, select one from the available widgets. For example, I'll choose the calendar and move it there. And now, if you want, you can also change the size of your widget, and also you can move it between the screens here, for example, and you can make this smaller by this way if you want. So also we can remove it. Just press for a while and you will see the remove icon. Just by this way, just tap here and click the remove icon just by this way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.